Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today it's all about essential oils. I want to talk a little bit about those. I want to talk about a book, and we have a giveaway. So we'll do the giveaway toward the end, and I'll explain what's going on with it. But right now, let's talk a little about essential oils. For Danny and I, we grow a lot of herbs. So I did not see the need to have oils for the most part and to be buying into the oil system. And then I got to thinking, if something does happen, I don't have my medicine cabinet like I should. So I was checking into long-term medicinal products. Doterra was it. I became a wellness advocate with Doterra. It is a very science-based company that does a lot of testing and a lot of research. They also have lots and lots of help and a backup system, and you can find out all the research you want, and that's something I need, and I know others do too. I know about herbs, but when it goes into the oil side of it, I needed a little bit more how to deal with it. So that's where this book is going to come in too. In October, Amanda from Freedom Acres will be here for a couple of weeks, and we're going to be holding wellness classes. We will be doing them in people's homes. We will be doing them on the internet. So you know, if you can't come to Mississippi, you can still have a 20-minute session with Amanda and I. If you would love to host Amanda and I, we ask that you have 6 to 10 people come to your home. You schedule it with us. We need to know by October the 2nd. And we will set up a schedule to come to your home and do a class there. We'll be making roller balls, and the host will get 4 different ones, and each person will leave with one that they designed to fit their needs. So the classes will be awesome. Just let us know. The one-on-one, it will be you, me, and Amanda. You get us for 20 minutes. We talk to you. As I told you, Danny and I grow a lot of herbs. But by having the oils, I can have those in my medicine cabinet, so to speak. And when I need something, it's there. I don't have to use it 24/7. But if I need to use it 24/7, it's there. I like a lot of the herbs that I can't grow. Now, I don't purchase ginger in a bottle because I have a lot of ginger. I don't purchase turmeric in a bottle because I have a lot of turmeric. But they've recently added turmeric, and a lot of people are using turmeric on a regular basis. So where I have turmeric that is dried and dehydrated and powdered, and I can use it in whatever, or I can go fresh and get it and make a tea, you may not. So if you don't, the little bottle like this of turmeric, which this is not turmeric, but you get the size. You buy a bottle of this. This lasts a long time because you're only using a drop or two every now and then. So essential oils is one of those things that I think people should look into, should be studying on, figuring out if that's something they can afford and how to. There's lots and lots of companies out there, but I chose Doterra. That's my preference. You may like the other companies. That's your preference. But if you don't already have a company and you would like to check into it, I'm willing to help. Just let me know and we'll go from there. How do we know what we need? Because if you don't have internet, that's the next step. That's where this book, Modern Essentials. This is one of the best books I've seen that explains essential oils. I'm going to kind of jump around a little in this book, but say you have fibromyalgia. The page on fibromyalgia explains a little about what it is. It tells you some of the oils to use, some other products to use. It goes into telling you how many drops to how much of the oil, the coconut oil to add. And which of the body systems are affected. This page on fibromyalgia just gave you a lot of information right quick. One of the oils that it talks about is a soothing blend. So let's flip to middle of the book, and Here it has a soothing blend. On the soothing blend, it gives you the quick facts about primary uses, application, but then it talks about each single herb that is in that oil. It gives you a brief synopsis of each one. Okay, one of those is chamomile. The page on chamomile, it gives you a picture of the flowers. It gives you the quick facts, which is the botanical name, the extraction method, the common primary uses, the common application methods. Then it tells you the chemical constituents. It tells you the properties, the historical use, the French medicinal use, other possible uses, the body systems affected, the aromatic influence, and oral use. So on that page you get a little more about chamomile in particular. And this book is great. So say one thing is you have trouble sleeping and relaxing. Toward the back of the book, the page on sleeping and relaxing shows you pictures of the different blends you can make. Modern essentials. If you're going to get into essential oils, I suggest this book, which will be in the description below, because this is just awesome. So today we've covered why essential oils, because of the long-term storage, the great medicinal benefits of it, and we've talked about the book that'll help you know what you need. 4,000 sub giveaway. Okay, you get your choice of one bottle of lemon, orange, or grapefruit, and the little side gift of the turmeric, the ginger, and a couple of other herbs that I have growing here at Deep South. What do you have to do to win? Share this video. Come back, tell me where you shared it, who you shared it with, friends, family, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, I don't care. You can show it to your church group, whatever. Okay guys, I'm going to be drawing Saturday. I'm going to let you know Saturday morning or Saturday after lunch who won. And if you're interested in any type of Doterra products, I will have a link below in all my descriptions on Deep South and in Crazy Days, that all you got to do is click on and go to my page and just go from there. If you want to contact me, deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. We'll talk. Really excited to get into a new stage of preparedness, and the essential oils is it. I've got the food. I can grow the food. We've got the animals. We're going with the animals now. I've got herbs. I'm ready to kick it into gear on medicines. So guys, you want to go along on the ride? Let's go. Let's get our medicine cabinet in order for a life-changing event. Like Danny said, who knows? What kind of life-changing event could happen? Next week, you might not can get out and go to the store to get what you need because of an earthquake or a fire or a tornado or, you know, hurricane. Who knows? Maybe you just lost your job and all of a sudden you have no money. If you've already prepared ahead of time and you do have some of these things in place, then you don't have to worry. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this today. A little bit about essential oils, a little bit about the book, and hey, thank you for getting me to 4,000 subs. I never figured Crazy Days would even have 500. So 4,000 is amazing. And I want to bless you with the oil and some of my herbs. So share this video, come back, tell me where you shared it, and I'll see you later. Thank you from Crazy Days.